How to fix photos not saving to camera roll on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete and I'm back with new video, and in this video we will see how we can fix if your photos are not saving to camera roll on Android. So let's get started. If photos are not saving to camera roll on your Android device, it could be due to a variety of reasons. So one by one we will try all the troubleshooting steps to fix the issue. First of all, you have to check your storage space. Ensure your device has enough internal storage. If the storage is full, the device may not save new photos. Now, to check that, open up settings in your device and after that, navigate to storage. Here, you'll be able to view all the available spaces in your device. So, make sure to check this out. After you do that, the second thing is you have to check for app permission. If the camera application doesn't have permission to access storage, it may not be able to save photos. To check that, again, go back and then tap on apps and then tap on see all apps. Now, by using the search bar at the top right corner, search for camera. Now on the app info page of camera, scroll down a bit and then navigate to permissions. Here, make sure you have allowed permission to photos and videos in your device. If not allowed, tap on it and allow the permission. And ensure that storage is enabled. And if this still doesn't help you, the third option will be restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary software glitches. Hold the power button and then select restart. Once the device is restarted, now you can check for your problem and try to take a picture from your camera. If that still doesn't help you, the fourth option is to clear your camera application cache. To do that, again navigate to settings in your mobile device and then tap on apps. Again tap on see all apps and using the search bar at the top right corner, search for camera. And under camera, go to storage and cache and then tap on clear cache. Here, corrupted cache data could prevent the camera from saving the photos properly, so make sure to clear the cache. Once you clear the cache, go back and check whether your problem is solved or not. If still not, then if you are using any kind of SD card in your device and photos are not saving, it could be an issue with your SD card. So make sure if the SD card is inserted properly and try to remove the SD card, reinsert it and format it. But before that, you have to back up all your data from your SD card. So try out all these steps and these steps will help you to fix the problem, and that's how you can fix if your photos is not saving to your camera roll on Android. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.